Hello YouTube, I am Abhirami and welcome to my channel. In this channel, you will be seeing a lot of videos on art tutorials, DIY videos, vlogs and much more. You must be wondering why I am carrying all these paper bags. If you would have seen my trip to Cleveland vlog, you would have seen that I go to my library to pick up a take and make kit. Take and make kit is given out by my library on a first come first serve basis. So these are the paper bags that I have gathered over the past few months, and I have still not started working on them and not see what's there inside these take and make kits. But I thought I'll also take you guys along to see what's there inside and what are the activities that are there. That's what this whole video is going to be about. We'll be exploring each take and make kit in each video, and we'll be seeing what's there inside this take and make kit and what are the activities that are there. We'll also be following the instructions given in this take and make kit and create our own DIY projects. I'm really excited to see what we are going to create with these take and make kits. In this video, we'll be seeing what's there inside this take and make kit and also be doing all the projects that's given inside by following all the instructions. Do join me along in the video. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's see what's inside it. The take and make kit itself has a lot of small activities and experiments inside. So we'll just figure out each thing out. They also give a suggestion about what books to read and some activities for the kids. We'll keep these things aside. Okay, we have 4 activities in this take and make kit. One is the New Year's firework. So we have all the cupcake cups and a black paper to do it. I'll be doing this as the first one. And we have a ball drop experiment. I'm not sure if I'll be doing this thing. I'll just show you guys what it is. And a cute New Year headband. I'll definitely be using these papers for another craft and art project, but then this headband is really small for me, so I don't think I'll be doing this particular one as well, but then we'll be reusing the cardstock papers for some other experiments later. And this one is the New Year's banner. So we have 2021 here. You'll be using any markers, crayons, and using this sequins and tape, you can decorate this. And we already passed 2021. It's in March, so I'll leave this one also out of our experiment thing. So now let's get into our New Year's firework exercise. I'll keep all of these things aside. Okay, so this is how we are going to do it. So we'll be needing scissors and glue. So what we are going to do is flatten your cupcake liners. Once flat, use your scissors to cut from the outside to the inside of the cupcake liner. I found it worked best to cut a bit past the liner's inner circle. Okay, so this will be the inner circle. You can also cut wedges out of the cupcake liner to create a flower shape. Once you have your liners cut, then arrange them on a black paper. When they are placed where you want them to, then glue them down in the middle. Try to glue in the middle so that the fringes that you cut will pop out of the page. Now you have your firework for the New Year. So it's going to be really simple. Our cupcake liners, so we have to flatten it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this below my cutting mat. I'll just leave one gap here in between and then cut it out. I'll use the cupcake liner's line, the guideline to cut it. I'm cutting a little past the inner circle. In this case, I'm just cutting a small V here in between those two lines. I have these from the other experiments that we did, that we got with along with this take and make kit. So I'm just wondering, maybe I'll use this a small circle here and there. I'm thinking I can make it to a smaller circle and then keep it somewhere in between. No, I'm thinking I want to retain the middle part, so I'll use the cutter to do it.